Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. Now, we just received a package from our good friends over at Gamma Plus. Now, they sent us the STYLECRAFT Rebels, and they also sent us the STYLECRAFT Shaver. We're gonna do a full review on this thing right now. Stick around. Let's get into it. Hey, guys, when you open your SC Rebel, what you're gonna get is the clipper. You're also gonna get a couple clipper covers. You have the pink one. You also have the black one. Go ahead and remove the clipper from the box. So here we have it. I love the blue. The blue looks pretty awesome. I like the way that looks. If you're into pink, the pink would be great as well. And also the black, the plain black is also really good. Now when I open up the box, what I get is a clipper stand. Now as you guys can see, I think they knocked it out of the park by basically having a stand-up charger, which I'm hoping also plugs into your machine as well. And yes, guys, this can plug into your machine. So I guess if your machine is dead and you want to go ahead and use it with the cord, you can do that as well. So they pretty much killed it with that. I love the way this blue stands out. Now you also get guards. You also get clipper guards as well. You got all of your clipper guards. So I'm assuming that wall clip guards will also fit on this as well, if you guys that are really into the wall clip guards. But wow, look, they also have magnetic guards, guys. They've been paying attention to the market, and they pretty much got magnetic guards. So guys, that's really cool. And also you have a screwdriver. So I guess if you want to go ahead and change the lever on your clip, you also get the blue lever, you get the pink one, and then you also have the lever that comes with it, which is the black one. As for the blade, now for the lever, you have a clickable lever, guys, a clickable lever. I'm new to using clickable levers, but this seems to be a new thing. Now, I was talking to my guys over at Easy Blade Barbers & Co., and they said
it's fire, but it's not the click.
Because if you think about it, bro, this
like different notches, basically.
This system fit is kind of different with the wall.
Yeah.
So like with this one, you know, you can really break it down to blurry. With that one, you gotta freestyle, like.
So you think the click on there is what?
Yeah, of course.
Like,
Like
the click
close,
is like to stop it from.
Like open. You know, like it's different from
guitar.
So it'll kind of stop you. Would you think it'd be better for beginners, or?
Of course.
Definitely.
Of course.
Because it'll kind of stop them from.
Yeah. So like you know where you go. Like this one, you just kind of like freestyle it. Like.
Gotcha.
There's no level.
I guess if you're just starting out and you want to kind of just click it here, fade, click it here, fade. I guess that would really help out. Probably take a little bit of me getting used to. But the blade itself, it looks like a ceramic blade, black. Looks really, really good. They look like they're not zero gapped, so I'll probably have to go in there and zero gap them just to remove the skin line. What I like to do with a clipper is pretty much see if it removes the zero line before I even try to zero gap it. And if it doesn't, then I'll go ahead and zero gap that. And that's what we're gonna do right now today, guys. We're gonna cut a couple heads and see if this will remove the skin line without zero gapping, and see how they fade, period. This is pretty much how your clipper sounds. Sounds pretty strong, very light. Like the way it feels. And that's what we got. Okay, let's see how these things work. So the first thing I did was grab a number 3 guard. I put it on the machine, and I wanted to see how these things would clear the bulk. They basically did a great job at clearing the bulk. No problem at all. The next thing I wanted to do was create a guideline. So what I did was I took the clip off the machine and created my first guideline. Now, a guideline is extremely important when fading hair, guys, because you want your guideline to be clean, and this blade did a great job at making the guideline clean. Great job. If you guys want to see this tutorial will be on in another week or so. So stay tuned for this particular video and this particular haircut on here. This is just a snippet from it. The next thing I wanted to do was go ahead and clear the skin line. Now, I did not zero gap them at all, and I was able to clear the skin line without zero gapping them. It worked out for me. My guy Riley over at Easy Blade, he said he had a problem at first. He didn't adjust them, but they did start to work and clear the skin line for him. And I guess it just takes a lot to get used to this clickable lever for me, but I got pretty used to it pretty fast, so it didn't give me any problems at all. I really enjoy the clippers, something different from using my regular walls. Had a good time using them, guys. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below, and let us know exactly what you want to see. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.